Hey tech fans, GadInsider here with mind-blowing news. Scientists just built the world's first 2D computer using atom-thin materials. It's tiny, fast, and sips power like nothing else. Let's unpack this game changer. Imagine a computer so thin it's literally 2D, running at low power but packed with potential. This breakthrough could reshape our gadgets forever. Wanna know how? Stick with us. On June 17, 2025, scientists at Pennsylvania State University dropped a bombshell. They've created the world's first 2D computer. Led by Dr. Saptarshi, the team ditched traditional silicone for atomically thin 2D materials, tungsten diselenide and molybdenum disulfide. These materials are so thin they're practically 2D, yet they keep killer electronic properties. As Dr. Das says, instead of bulky silicone, they built this computer using complementary metal oxide semiconductors, or CMOS, with these 2D materials controlling electric current. The result? A device that runs at super low voltages and barely uses any power. Subir Ghosh, a PhD candidate on the team, says it's designed for minimal power consumption, making it a big deal for energy efficiency. Sure, it's slower than your gaming PC for now, but it nails basic logic operations with next to no energy. This is huge for the future of electronics, promising smaller, lighter, and more flexible devices. Think foldable phones that last days on a charge and wearables that feel like nothing. Why is this epic? This 2D computer isn't just a lab toy, it's a peek at the future. As our devices shrink, traditional silicone struggles, but 2D materials keep performing at atomic levels. This could lead to gadgets that are faster, greener, and way more versatile. It's a massive step towards the next era of tech. Mind blown by this 2D tech? Drop a comment. What gadget do you want powered by this? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more cutting-edge tech news.